Anthony Lionheart Smith, who challenged John Jones for UFC light heavyweight title, has maintained since then that he still wants to fight for UFC world title once again. And for that reason he has been active and he has been taking on all the newcomers which UFC has put in front of him without any complaint. And he is currently on 3-fight win streak and ranked number 4 in UFC light heavyweight division. He has to pull out from Alexander Rakic fight recently, who he was going to fight on December 18. It somewhat derailed Alexander Rakic plan for title contention as well. But it turned out really well for Anthony Smith because soon after the loss of Jan Blachowicz to Glover Teixeira for UFC light heavyweight championship fight at UFC 267 card, he said that that fight was offered to him that same day and he accepted that. He said that I would be a fool to not do that. That's my dream, to fight again for the UFC light heavyweight title, and it will provide me the great opportunity. If I go out and defeat Jan Blachowicz, it will cement me as the number 1 contender. Then I might fight Glover Teixeira once again and get the rematch and get the victory back. So it's remained to be seen because Glover Teixeira is highly likely is going to be matched up against Jiri Prochazka. But it would be a really interesting fight between Jan Blachowicz and Anthony Smith. He said that about pulling out of the fight, that I went for the routine knee surgery and after that I was infected with staph. Since then I have been on medication and it's really grueling, man. It's not easy. You always feel tired and doctor has been keeping a check on the infection so that it's not spreading. I don't want to jeopardize my situation right now and get sidelined for a little longer. I want to remain active and fight for the title as soon as possible. Because he is right as well, because behind him there is Magomed Ankalaev, who is also right now on a good win streak. And since he is matched up against Jan Blachowicz and the date is not final yet, but most likely they will fight in March or April, somewhere around that. Then the fight left for Alexander Rakic will be Magomed Ankalaev. But it's remained to be seen because Anthony Smith said that Alexander Rakic has also turned some fight down. He did not wanted to reveal the names, but he said that he has been turning down the fight. So number 5th ranked guy is Thiago Santos, who Alexander Rakic already defeated last time he was in the octagon. And Magomed Ankalaev is ranked number 6th and he has a lot of hype behind him and he is very dominant. He is one of the most well-rounded guy in UFC light heavyweight division right now. So definitely UFC would be interested in matching up Alexander Rakic against Magomed Ankalaev. But whether that fight happens or not, it's remained to be seen. But Alexander Rakic is also a very skilled fighter and he can fight at range. He's a good grappler, great striker. He kicks really well, really hard. So I'll keep you updated and thanks for watching this video. I'll keep putting more and please like and subscribe my channel.